Hello, today we will guide you through how to declare on ACBuy. To get started, open ACBuy in your browser and go to the main homepage. Once the site has loaded, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen. This is where you'll find the option you need for checking shipping-related details before completing a declaration. Next, click on Shipping Fee Estimation in the top right corner. This section helps you preview shipping information and gives you the declaration range based on the details you enter. It's a useful tool because it lets you estimate things in advance instead of guessing. After that, look for the Warehouse to field. Click on it to choose the destination setting. In this example, you'll select the sample option shown on screen. Be sure to choose the same sample destination so the results match the demonstration. If you pick a different location, your declaration range may vary, so it's important to stay consistent while following along. Once that's selected, move to the weight field and enter the package weight. Make sure the number you type reflects the shipment weight you want to estimate. Accuracy matters here because declaration guidance is often tied closely to the package weight. Even a small change in weight can affect the result you see. Next, find the product type dropdown and select the sample product type shown. This step helps the system understand what kind of shipment you are estimating. As with the destination and weight, the product category can influence the declaration amount range, so choose carefully and match the example if you want similar results. When all of the fields are filled in, click the Check Now button. This will prompt ACBuy to process the information you entered and generate the estimate. After a moment, the declaration amount range will appear on the screen. This is the key result you're looking for. It gives you a recommended range to use when declaring the shipment based on the destination, weight, and product type you selected. Review the displayed range carefully so you can use it as a reference for your shipment details. As a final tip, if the result doesn't look right, double-check the destination, weight, and product type entries before trying again. Small input errors can change the estimate, so it's always worth reviewing your information. That's it. You now know how to check the declaration amount range on ACBuy using the shipping fee estimation tool.